Arsene Wenger don come out to come vomit to say lie fear he no go ever go back Arsenal or even go inside Arsenal go watch their match. The Frenchman wey spend 22 years as Gunners manager come become the manager wey say na him stay long pass for inside the club history. Na him carry Arsenal for 2004 Premier League wey be say dem go unbeaten come still carry Arsenal go play Champions League final. Come still carry Arsenal waka comot from Highbury Stadium come go Emirates Stadium. Plenty people see Arsene Wenger say no be just ordinary manager for inside Arsenal because he put all in mind and everything. From the youth policy, go reach transfer and they go on. When I say get better link with the club, I ain't a person who say the fans they like well out. But he don't stand upon his leg, he can't talk say no go back Arsenal again. Because I don't tell myself, since I don't come out for Arsenal, I don't come out completely. And that one come with my decision. Arsene Wenger wey don dey work as one of the FIFA head for inside Obodo World Football Development. Wenger wey still dey enjoy im legendary status but the 70-year-old no bear dey talk back wey Arsenal management dey talk back when him be wan comot for inside Arsenal. Him come out to come dey talk say but every good thing wey I do and the cup wey I win for inside Arsenal na for the interest of Arsenal. And I manage the club for 1,235 games. I see good and bad time for them but everything wey we dey do na for the interest of the club to defend the value of the club. But Wenger fit break him promise as him talk say he no go ever go back to Arsenal if only Arsenal go mold in status for outside the stadium and in coming back he go come shock Arsenal fans because he don talk recently say he always dey watch Arsenal match for inside television and he don put Arsenal for mind and he dey show concern about the future of the club because Arsenal get their culture wey be say they play their football and he hope say Mikel Arteta go get the style back. This na man about reporting for Pidgin News Network.